Safe Ring LLC by Daniel Lynn. So right here is my table of contents. Title page is slide 1, table of contents slide 2, origin of business and how it began slides 3 and 4. Tips for travel slides 5, special requirements to live in a foreign nation slides 6 and 7. To put all together slide 9, my works side of the page is 10. So how Safe Ring all began. Growing up in a small city with high crime and high child trafficking, I got to thinking of a way to help and figure out an idea or an item that could help or even fix the problems. These problems go on all over the world, not just here, and this works in some other places in the world. I got to thinking and came up with the idea of Safe Ring. So I did some research and came up with the ring that connects to adult or a parent's phone that helps track their kid. I want my idea to be spread all over the country and community to see if this is a good idea and something that would help and decrease crime and human trafficking. So I wanted to start a Go Ring campaign and start letting other people help me out and travel to different places in the world to get the name and the ring out there and help slow down human trafficking. How Safe Ring all began. This is the second one. After looking up some places to go in a different country, I came up with my idea to go to Mexico. Mexico is a place that has high poverty, high crime rates, and high human trafficking rates. I wanted to start with Mexico to get the idea and the use of the Safe Ring out. Mexico is the best fit for this place to try out first because of the high human trafficking and all the crimes, including drug trafficking as well. My main goal is to go to Mexico and help to try to stop the rates slowly but surely. From a business point of view, this is to help the community and help the family of the people that suffer with this on a daily basis. Eventually, that can be known all over the world and become a big part and save many lives in Mexico. Tips for travel. As you travel, being safe is the main goal and concern for business. As you travel, you'll be given a stack of cards that you can hand out and spread the word and get Safe Ring product out. If anyone has any questions, try to answer them the best you can. If you have any problems, you can contact the main people in the company. Your goal for the relocation is to have fun and be safe and present Safe Ring to as many people as you can. This is supposed to be fun and even better because we're trying to make a change and a difference in one location at a time. You'll be in Mexico for 6 months, make a difference, and work hard. Wish you the best, and if you have any questions, contact safering.org. Try to make friends and get to know the culture as well. Special requirements and social issues. Going to Mexico, you will run into low poverty places because there is some social issues to be aware about. One of the most common and obvious issues is going to be the poverty in different level class divisions. Mexican society is sharply divided by income and education level. Although a middle class has struggled to expand in the cities, the principal division is between the wealthy and the well-educated elite and the urban and rural, and then the poor, who constitute the vast majority of the population. Many households in both rural and urban areas are inhabited by 3 or more generations because of the economic advantages of sharing a roof as well as traditionally close relationships. Mexico has a couple main different religions, but the main religion is the Catholic Christianity. About 82.7% of the total population is involved. The other religion is Mormonism, which constitutes 9.7% of the population and non-Christian. Religions. It is always good to know the background and the religions in a different country so you not interfere with someone else's belief. It is good to always be open and share your opinion. That also helps them feel more comfortable with you because you're willing to share something in what you think. This is special requirements, Mexico's main and important tradition. A popular Mexican tradition is the Pinata. Today it is commonly used as a fun game at birthday parties, but its origins are very symbolic. The Pinata's bright colors were designed as a symbol of temptation, with a stick representing the will to overcome sin. They have a lot of fun traditions, including bullfighting, but one of the main important day is Cinco de Mayo, an annual celebration held on May 5th. Oftentimes confused with Independence Day, the date is observed to commemorate the Mexican Army victory over the French. To bring it all together, at SafeRing, we try our best to get the word around and to help the surrounding people with our great project. But we thank you as well for willing to relocate for our company. I hope the instructions and the information and the background information has helped you and made you feel better about relocating to Mexico. Thank you for your willingness to relocate. We are here to answer and to help if you have any questions about your new experiences in Mexico. Best regards, SafeRing LLC. Then this is my works cited page.